Great job, great job. Hey, my name is Jeffrey Guillaume. I am the South Carolina Grand National winner. Thank you very much. They call me Mr. Emotional the Poet, so I really appreciate AHF right now, so I just gotta get you guys excited, do it just like I do it in South Carolina. Is that all right? So when I say poetry good, you gonna say all the time. When I say all the time, you gonna say poetry good. You with me up there? I know it, here we go. So I say poetry good. I say all the time. I say poetry good. I say all the time. Now when I say speak, you say out. Speak. I am just a messenger. My hands are up. Please don't shoot. I know everybody's excited about the Confederate flag coming down in South Carolina, but I come to talk about another issue. You see, I come to talk about an issue that affects all races, all genders, and all ages. I'm talking about this disease you see on the street. Some people call it the ninja. I even heard someone refer to it as the silent killer. You may know it to be called HIV/AIDS, and I come here today to let you know that it is real. It is a real deal. It is a real issue, and if you ask me, if you ask Mr. E Poetry, I'm gonna tell you it's a civil rights issue because anybody who's been diagnosed with the disease not only have to live with the disease, but live with the stigma and the discrimination that comes with it. You see, you should not lose your job and your friends because you told them you was HIV positive. And you see, we all know HIV/AIDS is not a game, it's nothing to play with, but we also need to understand it's not a punishment either. You see, it is an epidemic, a pandemic, a disease that affects people all over this world, this country, and this state. Did you know in Africa, 32 million people have the disease of HIV, 19 million of them do not know they have it, but you didn't know this though. In America, in the United States right here, over 1.2 million people have the disease of HIV. 14% of them don't know they have it, 63% of whom are not in care. Did you know? In South Carolina has the highest new cases of HIV/AIDS in my age group, ages 20 to 29, and most of them were affected when they were teenagers. You see, facts like these is the reason why I live. You see, something has to give. Someone needs to give this issue just a little bit more attention, not to mention how it's affected our young African-American boys in our community. You see, I've been chosen. I've been called to a certain degree with the Bachelor of Science in Public Health and my poetic expertise. You see, I've been called to lead, to educate, entertain, and inspire. But in this case, educate, encourage, and empower. Educate. Tell them everything they need to know about STDs, STI, and how to prevent HIV. Encourage them to know their status and get tested. Empower them to join a movement like AHF. Follow them on Instagram. Follow them on Facebook. You see, I'm locked in. I got 20/20 vision. I plan to help AHF get 20 million on treatment by 2020. You see, that's my vision.